Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. In the present petition, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioners has urged that the youngsters of the nation must be provided with adequate opportunities where their creativity and talent can be harnessed for the development of the country. Full stop. It has been contended that the present examination system is extremely tough and works more as an eliminatory process rather than as a platform to select and encourage the meritorious. Full stop. There is a direct correlation between excessive rigidity in the educational framework and the growing trend of brain drain, whereby the most capable students leave the country in search of better avenues. Full stop. The petitioners have further submitted that the state is under a constitutional duty to subsidize higher education and research activities, and such a duty cannot be treated as a matter of theoretical debate alone. Full stop. The economic storm caused by globalization and the liberalized policies has brought both opportunities and challenges. Full stop. On one hand, the economy is blossoming and many multimillionaires have emerged. On the other hand, the common students have not seen their status elevated. Full stop. The ultimate triumph of democracy lies in equal access to education and not in the obsession with profit making ventures that border on madness. Full stop. It is also argued that the universities must not become mere stud farms for corporate processors of labor but must encourage cyber research, scientific exploration and critical thinking. Full stop. The role of consultancy services, particularly in the field of software development, has expanded worldwide, and India has a strong base in this regard. Full stop. However, the educational system needs to be revamped so that every faculty member contributes meaningfully to the holistic development of students. Full stop. The respondents, on the contrary, submit that there exists a paucity of financial resources, and unless guidelines are laid down, the allocation of funds for research and scholarships cannot be arbitrary. Full stop. They emphasize that the input from experts is being carefully considered, and the output of the educational reforms shall be visible in due course of time. Full stop. Upon careful consideration, this court is of the view that classrooms cannot remain confined to physical boundaries alone. Full stop. Modern classrooms must embrace technology, online platforms and new modes of creation of knowledge. Full stop. At the same time, the court cautions that commercialization should not eclipse the core constitutional mandate of equality and accessibility. Full stop. Therefore, it is directed that the government shall constitute a high hyphen level committee consisting of academicians, judges, economists and social reformers to examine the grievances of the petitioners. Full stop. एंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।